we're struggling with being able to have nice, clean, filtered dirt that would flow through our system with the skid steer. I'm going to be turning this into a sifter. We've been having troubles with rocks getting stuck in the skidder, so let's go ahead and get something where we thin those rocks out. Can I get your order, please?
In building with earth bags, we discovered our family thrived creatively and grew stronger by working side by side. We welcome you to be part of our family and for this week's adventure.
Cattle panels, and I'm running a third, right? 1, 2, and 3. Found some old panels that we used for animals. Remember we had the old panels in the back? And I thought, well, hey, let's just go ahead and pull that together into some configuration where we could just dump some dirt on it and filter it through.
And I looked out the kitchen window, I saw the Tower of Babel.
Oh yeah, I did have a little tall.
Look at the kind of clouds that we got out here, and then the clouds that come out here.
Yeah.
Oh, the wind kind of stole half of the bucket though.
I noticed that. That was fun to be able to get it nice and high and everything, but it wasn't gonna work. Yeah, I did get a couple things kind of flying in. Then I backed up a little bit.
Yeah. I think if we lower it, I think it will work.
Jared and I went out there, and Jared, with his brilliance, said, hey, what if we do this and this and this? And so he helped me to kind of pull it together so that it doesn't look all cattywampus.
Well, that's good because the Tower of Babel didn't really work.
It fell down.
Yeah, so,
Yeah.
you know, that would be probably, you know.
Yeah, I like English. I don't have to speak some other language, so I'm certainly glad that we got that fixed.
After making these changes to the skid steer, we were looking at it, we had gotten some new paint, we thought, it would really be nice if we could get it washed up and touched up with some paint, because it's really done a good job for us, and we should, it feels like if you bathe it, you care for it more. So we went and ordered a pressure washer, and Jared went to work on that.
What did we get?
Pressure washer.
We got a pressure washer. And a hose, it looks like.
Yeah.
Not sponsored by this company. We'll see how they do.
Here we go.
Wow. I am so good at this. Well, it'll all come out in the wash. The pressure wash.
There we go. It's all done.
Didn't you have like a hot rod exhaust pipe?
This is the handle.
Oh, I thought that was a hot rod double exhaust pipe.
Look at that, huh?
Oh my gosh. Who knew it could look so nice?
I don't know, even when we brought it home the first time, it ever looked this nice.
Are you just gonna stand down like this and paint this stuff? And yeah.
Jared did a great job.
He did.
He got it all nice and clean. It looks all nice and painted. And now it's time to get it dirty.
Oh no.
Oh yeah.
Now that we got the skid steer that does all the bagging,
Oh, yeah.
we had this idea that why don't we try to cut corners and not have to do the tamping too?
Yes.
We bought a new tool because we realized the only thing not optimized is the tamping part.
So we found a compactor, an automatic compactor, and so we got that to see if it would work for us.
Yeah. We had another idea was to get an elephant to sit up there, but they would fall off. And then people would be mad at us for elephant.
All right, we ready?
Okay, how does we need fuel.
It's fine. That ain't bad, people. It's fine.
Unfortunately, the tamper wasn't tamping enough. I didn't give it a good enough squish. However,
There were comments that came in and said, hey, why don't you vibrate that bucket so that you don't have to shovel so much? And we were thinking, that's a good idea. And so we're going to try this now to see if it at least will vibrate the bucket and get all the dirt in the column to push
give
out.
that bucket a good wiggle.
Yeah, so that's the next idea to try.
Overall, I think we've got a pretty good way forward now with nice clean dirt.
No problems now with the machine, nothing broke. So that's kind of where we want to be at. It takes a few tries when we're making something like what you guys did with the bucket. It's going to take a few little bugs to work out. So it looks like you're getting close to the end of those bugs.
Yes.
That wraps up this week. If you cut out of the videos early and missed this part,
Yes.
there's a whole bunch of t-shirts and merch over at the store if
Yep.
you're interested in lots of fun designs out there.
Skid steer.
Yeah, and I got a new one too. This is not a new design, but this is the bottle from the kitchen, if you remember the kitchen, Bill. We put out the full version video tips, so if you're interested in starting to put together some videos of your building projects out there on YouTube or other video platforms, that would be a great video series for you, or if you know somebody who would like some ideas to do to get started in video, or if you've been doing it for a while and you just want to see if you can possibly up your game, there might be some little nuggets in there as well for you. And then next Wednesday, if all goes to plan, we will be producing the full version outdoor shower. So we're excited to get that one out.
Monday, we have another podcast. So if you've been writing in questions and making comments and things like that, we go through that information. We discuss all that for our Monday's podcast. So if you want to know what's been going on, a little bit more behind the scenes, that's the place to go to.
Happy Easter. We look forward to seeing you on Monday.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
That's a dealy bob.
A dealy bob! I always wanted a dealy bob and a bobble deal.
Bits and bobs.
Whoa.
Doohickeys.
Doohickeys and
Doodads, whatchamacallits.
Yep.
Thingamajigs.
Wow, you really do have a lot of words for knickknacks.
Our family moved from the city to the country. Thanks for taking part in our adventure. We have new videos every Friday evening. If you would like to help us out, you can like this video, share it, subscribe, or support us on Patreon. See the links in the description.
So it looks like you're getting close to the end of those bugs.
Yes.
Don't jinx us, Mom. No.